Hello, and welcome to Super Bravo, Serbian language book for complete beginners. I'm Ivana Marinkovic, and this is eWord Language School. Super Bravo is written both in the Cyrillic and the Latin script. There is also the English translation, so it is perfect for everyone who wants to learn Serbian on their own, as well as supporting material for a course. These video lessons are answers to the exercises in the book. You may use the video lessons to look at some examples, explanations, letters, words, sentences, or just as a podcast to listen to exercises from the book Super Bravo. So how to use this book? The book is in the PDF form, so if you wish to write in it, you should print it out. For each unit, there is a supporting video which contains explanations and answers to the exercises. Then go back to the book, do the exercises after watching the explanations, and again watch the video to check if the answers are correct. This book is for complete beginners, so it is perfect even for people who still don't know how to read or write in Serbian. But if you've already learned a bit of Serbian, you can just jump into the unit that's best suited for your level. It starts from scratch and goes up to the end of the level A1. And now a little bit about eWord, Know Your Language School. We specialize in Serbian and English. The project began in 2011 when we started with Skype lessons. In 2014 we opened a physical school in Belgrade, which was open until the end of 2017 when I moved abroad and went back to my roots to Skype lessons and now video lessons. I am Ivana Marinkovic. I teach Serbian and English. In English, I specialize in business language classes. I wrote the Super Bravo textbook for complete beginners. I run the eWord Language School and I adore my job. When my students answer a question correctly or do an exercise well, I have a tendency to say super, bravo, so the name to the book was given by my students. So super, bravo, you've completed your first video, and if you have any questions, write to me on info@eword.co, or if you wish to have some Skype lessons with me. And thank you, and see you in the next video.